Welcome to InvestHive, your hub for smart ideas and smarter investments. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 investment ideas for 2025 that can help you grow your money and build financial freedom. Make sure you stick to the end, because the last one is the most powerful. Saving money is no longer enough. In today's economy, you need to make your money work for you. So, how do you do that? Let's find out. The first idea is real estate rental properties. Housing is always in demand, and rental income provides consistent cash flow. Even starting with a small property can create long-term passive income. In 2025, urban rentals are expected to grow faster than ever. The second idea is online businesses, especially e-commerce and dropshipping. Platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and even local marketplaces make it possible to sell products worldwide. With the right niche and product research, you can scale without needing a physical store. Third on the list, stock market investing. If you're a beginner, ETFs and index funds are a safe way to start since they spread your money across many companies. For 2025, technology and green energy are two of the fastest growing sectors. The fourth idea is digital assets like cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. Yes, they're risky, but with the right strategy and timing, the returns can be massive. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose, and always research before jumping in. And the fifth idea is investing in yourself. Learning high-income skills like digital marketing, freelancing, or AI tools can create new income streams. This type of investment pays not just in money, but in long-term career opportunities. Here's a bonus tip. Don't rely on just one source of income. Wealthy people always build multiple streams, so that if one fails, the others keep you safe. Which of these investment ideas do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to InvestHive, and hit the bell icon for more smart money tips. This is InvestHive. Start small, think smart, grow big.